Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting. But today the topic is not accounting. It's about Connect on McGraw Hill. Very powerful tool. I use it a lot with my students. But I add assignments, but that is not the topic here. Sometimes you wanna use it, but you wanna print it, or you want to export it to your LMS like Moodle, Blackboard, and so on. How do you do that? So first of all, there are two connect or two interfaces. That is the same. So it's not on add assignment. You will not add an assignment and then export it. You need to use a test generator. That is not here, and that is confusing because it is on library. The library is here. If you go to the new experience, library is here. So go on library, and then the interface is the same now. Test builder, print or export. So go on test builder, go to test builder. And what I like on Connect, because it is online, you don't need to install any software on your desktop. So, okay, no test. So I will create a test. Create new test, or you can import it. Create a new test. And then it's just like any assignments on Connect. So you add question. The source, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. So a lot of chapters. So let's consider here chapter 7. Problem. So I will add one problem and some multiple choices question. So problem, users. Then you have the same filters that you have on Connect. The only issue is it's not add random question. So filter, question type. Only essays because it doesn't add problems because it's not a very good interface with the LMS. So here, let's select essay or better, let's change the source. Let's go here on chapter 10. I'm pretty sure that there are problems on chapter 10. So filter, question type, only essay. So it doesn't go with problems. So okay, and then the type, and these filters depend on your textbook. So different textbook has different filters. And then, okay, let's add some one medium question, and then let's close it here. So, okay, I wanted this one. So this essay, check, add to test. And now I want to add some multiple choices question also from chapter 10. Multiple choices question, users. And here, filter again, question type. I don't want the true and false, only multiple choice. And then the type, only static. And difficulty, hard. Let's see what we have. So here, we have 34 questions. So I wanna all the 34. So, okay, I am adding all the 24, or I can add them manually. But I wanna add all of them. So add to tests. And it's here. I need to name it. So title. Let's name it here. Chapter 10. Homework. So okay, that is the one, and then save and exit. Yes, or I can go. So let's come back here. Oops, how are you? Let's move myself. Oh yes, let's move myself here. So edit. Yes. So continue. And then what do I want to do? So export it to D2L, Blackboard, Canvas, Moodle, and so on. For Moodle users, if there is any test bank that doesn't show you Moodle, select Blackboard, and then it will work. Or Canvas, or when you want to print it. So first, I want to export it to my LMS. Submit it. It will uh, it will be available soon. So let's come here. It shows pending. So we refresh it. Sometimes, or usually, we get this error message. So we close it, and then we come back to McGraw Hill, go to Test Builder, and then on Test Builder, now we have the format here. So just click here, and then let's come to the Accounting Hub, Moodle, Chapter 10 homework. Save it. And then when we open it, it will be here on a compressed zip file. And then you import it on your Moodle, Blackboard, or whatever you are using it. But I don't want to export anymore. I want to print it. I will give them in class on paper. So we go back, edit. Here is the chapter 10 homework, so you can do it before exporting it. So I create a test on continue. Instead of export as D2L, Blackboard, or Canvas, go on Docsheets. And then what do you want to do? Scramble questions, scramble answers, don't scramble. So I usually scramble questions and answers. And then here, number of versions. If you want to scramble it and you have 25 students, or the maximum is 20. So if you have 10 students, you can do it on 10 versions. More than that, so go on 20 versions. And then appearance, one column, spacing between questions, narrow or wide. I usually like the wide, and I usually like the two columns. But that is completely up to you. Page numbering, start at 1. You can add a cover page, so you can start it on 2. And then here the header, first page, so chapter 10, homework, and here other page. So here I can copy and paste, or you can do a different header for your first page and so on. So that is completely up to you. In structures, student name, and then time limit 30 minutes and so on, and display question type, question header. So it's completely up to you. Question number start at, if you want to add it on a test, so it will be starting on question number 10 or question number 11. And if you want to show answers, blanks for true, false, and so on, or show question details and so on, and then here the format, so you can go on that later. It is awesome. And then submit it. And then, okay, it is the same. So here the export format will stay, and now it's pending. Refresh it, it will show us an error. Go to Test Builder. It usually goes fast, but it is still pending. So let's wait some minutes, or I will pause this video and we'll be back in some minutes. Okay, here we are again. It took only 2 minutes here for me because remember, 20 different versions. So go to Test Builder, and now it will show you the docx. Very good that I forgot to tell you. When you go to continue, and then you submit it, you can, so let's go here on Canvas. I don't want to screw with. And then if you go on send an email to your email, it will tell you when it's done. So here, okay, so it will show the canvas, it will be pending, and it will overlap your Moodle. So I don't want to do it. I want to export it as D2L and submit it. But on the Word file, so okay, how does it go? So go on the Word file, and then chapter 10, homework, and here let's go on print. Because this first file, remember, it is to export on Moodle or Blackboard or D2L. So here, showing folder, and then print. And here we have all of the 20 versions. And let's see how it goes. It is not one huge file. It goes on 20 different files. Let's enable it. And then this is your test. So this is the version 3. If you want to delete this version 3 here, just come here, because you don't want your students to see it and so on. So you can delete it. And then you can edit. That is very good about Connect, because other test builders, they export as a PDF. So you need to edit everything on the test builder. This one is more user-friendly in my opinion, but that is more of personal preference. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Questions or comments, just leave them here. Have a very nice day and God bless you.